Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Xiaomi 13T. So go to your settings and scroll down to password and security. Here it is. Now you can set a screen lock, alright, but we need our face recognition. So press set on screen lock, press face unlock, and now we are to add our face data. So simply follow instructions on the screen and complete this process. Also, if you do not have a screen lock yet, for example like a pattern on PIN or password, you have to set it beforehand. So let's set it. Let's set our PIN. Alright. In this pop-up menu, press got it. Now let's enter our PIN, press continue, let's confirm it. Alright, follow the simple instructions. So after you scanned your face, you can name it. Let's give it a nice name. Alright, press done. And now our face unlock is on, so let's check it out. Let's grab our phone, let's put our face, and that's it, it's unlocked. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.